It's common in both, but the media by color will become the child, because it will just give the coloration for those two. No color is an attribute. Likewise, media by tactic is an attribute, right? So, and we are talking of hierarchy, so any other guesses? I think media by name is there in the other files. So that will be. That's fine. It's only the keys. So whenever you do a lookup in Excel, you do a VLOOKUP, right? So in VLOOKUP, what do? You map your IDs to IDs, right? And then you pull the other things, names or something. Because what do you know is, in my lookup, my IDs will be correct and IDs are always to be referenced and not the names. Correct. So likewise in. Sorry, likewise in join as well. How do you do a join? You do it by referring to the common ID, and then you do, and. I'm sure if you guys understand join, then you must have understood that this parent-child is nothing but a full outer join. That we are doing correct. So in full outer join what we do, we bring in everything. So, over here as well, what we are doing is, this is nothing, but if we just talk data structure, then it's nothing, but it is a full outer join that we are doing. So it's always IDs, correct? So, then, which will be parent and which will be child? Like the sheet with the media by name, it has all the information, like the date and the media by key, media by name, media by tactic and expression, except for click. So that will be parent. I think both are child. Both are child. Okay, no one has to be a parent. So in this case we don't have a hierarchy at all, because we don't have anything apart from media by key present in our data. So, in that case, like whichever data set you choose can become the parent, and whichever data set you choose can become the child. Okay, because we don't have any hierarchy in our data. Okay, got it. Yeah. So now let's go back. And now, how do we do that? We go to our data streams. This is our data stream 1 and where is the data stream 2? Do you see the parent-child example? This one and this one. No, this one. Okay, these are the two data sets that we have in place. So let's do something, let's make this one parent. Let's make data set to the parent of data set 1. How do we do that? We have to do an edit. We go to parent-child. In edit you will have, yesterday we saw how yesterday, I think day before, we saw load rules. Likewise below the load rules. You have parent-child. So what you do is you go over here and you take this as your parent. Right. And what do? Is you save it. Okay, now you see the parent stream over here. You see the parent stream over here has changed to the data set 2 and data set 1. Now go to Visualize. Okay, now you see, we have media by key 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have name, we have media by tactic, we have media by color, and we have the respective impressions and clicks for the media wise. And we have sliced clicks and color with respect to data, set 1 and media by tactic, and impressions with respect to media. Not media by tactic, I guess clicks and media was there, and impressions and media by color. Those things were we wanted to see as a part of it. Okay, so as we do not have a hierarchy, you can go ahead and you can do the other way as well. And it was the identical way. So that is how we do, the parent-child. Now we will see two types of yeah. So we took an example to see what is parent, child, and how it happens. Now we will see this scenario, which he just asked, and another scenario whereby we will do two types of parent-child. One will be a parent-child within entities and one will be a parent-child across entities. And we will see two types of data sets whereby we will now look into hierarchy and we will see how things are done. The one which we did now. It is also within entities. Now let's see another example, if it is not clear by us. So another data stream, another example, to see the data within entities. Okay, so I have another set of data set that. Let's see how it works. Will this come over here? Okay. This is a better view. Okay, so you see again we are in a situation whereby we have the date. We have our media, buys. We see that the first data set has 3 media buys by keys. The PC2 has 2 media buys by keys, and then we have a media by name. We have media, by attribute and impressions. Over here we have media by key. Alongside we have media by category and clicks. Right. So now the data set. One wants to see the media by category with respect to media by category and clicks with respect to the media by key and data set. One wants to see media by impressions. Media by name and media by attribute. In terms of media by keys. Now we are at A. We are at another stage where we know that, okay, this, if we want to have as part of a single data set, what we need to do is a parent-child. Right. So that we can culminate the two streams together. And then let's visualize once how it looks currently. So it looks like this, right?